Some players have been getting the 1,15,178,951,260 error code while trying to play a game of Battlefield 2042. As it turns out, as the game is going on, players are kicked and the not signed into PlayStation Network error message is shown alongside the error code mentioned above.
The problem in question usually occurs due to your internet connection, as can be gathered from the error message itself or, in some cases, the local save files of the game. In this article, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the error message mentioned, so just follow through. Method 1. Use wired connection. The first thing that you should do when you encounter the problem in question is to try using a wired internet connection instead of using the Wi-Fi or wireless. Some of the users who were experiencing this issue reported that after switching to a wired connection instead of using the Wi-Fi, they were able to resolve the problem. This could mean that either the connection speed that you are getting via the Wi-Fi is not great due to interferences and other factors.
Therefore, if you are able to, go ahead and switch to a wired connection to see if that resolves the problem. Method 2. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. As it turns out, another way that you can possibly resolve the error message mentioned above is by forcing your PlayStation to connect to the 2.4 GHz band of your Wi-Fi. This can be done pretty easily by going to the network settings on your console. In case you are already using the 2.4 GHz band, you can try to force your console to use the 5 GHz band and see if that resolves the problem for you. Method 3. Delete local save files. To start off, open up the settings menu by selecting the gear icon at the top right corner. Then, on the settings menu, go down and choose the storage option. Once you are on the storage menu, on the right-hand side, go down to save data. There, choose your game version. After you have done that, locate Battlefield 2042 and select it. Finally, select the delete button provided to delete the saved data. With the saved data deleted, go ahead and try playing Battlefield 2042 again to see if the error code still comes up.